On this channel, we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. And we are not going to judge anybody that decides to go like buying the dupes or buying whatever they can afford. This is 2024. We are going to live our life the way we want it. We don't want to impress anybody by going broke. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, if I have men that are watching my video, please do you. This is 2024. We keep saying it. Do you. Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Today's video is all about how to style ballet flat. I think I have 6 ways that I'm going to share, or it might be one additional one will be which will be a bonus, maybe. But right now I have 6 ways of how to style ballet flat. All right, some people have this rule of you cannot wear it with this, you cannot wear it with that. Just do you, whatever that you feel comfortable with, that it's your style. It's all about fashion, is all about expressing who you are. Like, there are times that you don't even want to follow those rules because it just puts you in a box. All right, the reason why I'm saying this is because I've seen so many videos that where ladies are talking about ballet flat, you don't wear with this, wear with that. I'm not going to judge anybody, but sometimes when you look at some of the things they are talking about, it's not practical for real. Because what's the point of wearing a ballet flat with a jean or a pant that cover all the shoulder? You can't even see the style. That I understand, but if it's still your style, why not? Do you. However, before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please like this video, and please do share with friends and family. They might find it entertaining or informative, or it might be helpful to them. So today's video is non-sponsored. It's something I purchased by myself. It's a Michael Kors ballet flat. Before I style it, I want to talk a little bit about the shoe. This is what I'm talking about. All right, these are the shoes I'm talking about. These shoes are by Michael Kors. You all can see the logo right there. I've not tried them. I mean, I tried them on a little bit. I haven't worn them for a long time to know how comfortable they are, but I saw a lot of mixed review about these shoes on the website when I was searching. Some people are like, it's not comfortable. Some people are like, oh, that's the right shoe for you. You know how people just have mixed opinion. You cannot, maybe somebody's feet wasn't feeling the vibe of the shoe, and the person decided to go like it is not good, and somebody fitted perfectly into it, and the person is like, oh yeah, this is the, you know, the real thing for them. For me, when I tried it on for a little while, I feel like they are very comfortable. But one thing I can tell you about these shoes are they are a little bit not true to size, in the sense that you have to go a little bit like half, because they run from size 5 to 11. So you have half 5, you have 5.5. I wear size 9 originally, but I chose 9.5 this time because when I tried it on, even the 9.5, I feel like it was a little bit tight at the front. But that was when I think I had it with the socks that I had on that day when I was trying it. But when I tried it on without the socks that I had on, because it was a thicker socks meant for sneakers, I was wearing a sneaker that day when I tried it on, and I remember that maybe that was why it was tight. So I tried it without the sock on, and it fit perfectly. So it runs a little bit small, so like half size up. If you're size 9, for example, you do 9.5. If you're size 5, you do 5.5. That's the bottom line. So let us look at the detail on it. We have the Michael Kors symbol right here, which is the MK. It's gold detail, and also inside it we have it like this. This is called Women's Gillies ballet flat. I even saw it on Amazon, and currently it is sold for $89. All right, so this is it. This is what you want to add to your collection for spring and summer. Especially if you just want to, you know you're going to be doing a lot of walking around, you want a ballet flat. It's not necessary that it has to be Michael Kors. You can buy some other brand that you feel, but I just feel like this is one of the necessary things that we need to add to our collection when we're going into spring or summer. All right, because you can dress it up, you can dress it down. In this video, I'm going to be showing you different outfits with it. You can pick the one that you like. You can let me know why in the comment section, and the one that you don't like, I am very welcome, very open to criticism, because it helps me a lot. You all know I am not a professional stylist. I'm not a professional stylist. I'm just a fashionista and someone that loves fashion, and I'm learning on the street of fashion as I continue to grow. So I am not perfect. That's just the bottom line. So if you feel like whatever I style it with, it's not your style, it's fine. And also, if you see it, you can let me know in the comment section why you don't like it, and let me know why you like it. All right, like I said, you can find this on Amazon too. They have it on Amazon. Also, you can buy it at Michael Kors website if you want to, but I'll put the link to Amazon. I'll put it in the description just in case if you want, because they have other colors there as well, and they have the one that has Michael Kors all written all over it. I just prefer this because I feel it will go with almost everything. All right, ladies, so having said that, we're going to go ahead and style it with different outfits. I am not going to be talking too much already. The main focus of this video is this shoe, and I'm going to show you different way I will style it. Hopefully I'll be able to put the clothes I'm wearing, if I can, and put the brand on the screen. Hopefully, God help me. All right, I'm not promising. All right, ladies, please let me know your thoughts at the end of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please do share if you don't mind. I appreciate you. Thank you all so much for watching, and without further ado, let's jump into the styling, and I will see you all, ladies, by the grace of God, in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues, and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale, reminiscing the bygone time. Laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say.
To be sincere, feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Tell me, what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how soon as I let my guard down, here comes that familiar sound. When you start to get tongue-tied, and in my heart I feel you lie. Though I knew the whole damn time, why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this. Since you don't think you should live differently, what's left for me when it all ends? You need some